an idiot if you're not watching these 3 stocks for Friday's trading day. Bitcoin is going nuclear after breaking out over its all-time highs, and crypto stocks are going crazy. So tomorrow is not the day to be missing in the market. There were stocks today already exploding multiple hundreds of percents, and with Bitcoin squeezing even higher after market close, it's going to be a crazy day before the weekend. As always, I'm saving my absolute favorite stock for last, so make sure you watch this full video so you can capitalize on this historic move in the market before the weekend. First up on the list has a pretty crazy name, especially with Bitcoin going crazy today. So Bitcoin is called BTC. Well, this stock here is BTCS. So if Bitcoin continues to explode tomorrow, this stock would be the first one on my list to be watching. Now, it is stuck in a bit of a downtrend, so we first have to wait for that confirmation back to the upside. So I want to first see strong buying pressure back over this 475 high. If we find buyers back over 475, let's look for pullbacks to confirm on the retest for that room back to the upside all the way to 550 and 6, your previous highs. Now, even though BTCS is a pretty crazy name, if it doesn't break tomorrow, you know that means no trade. Next up on the list, number 2 is the stock that's up over 300% just this month alone, and it's finally coiling a super tight flag on the daily time frame for its next massive leg to the upside. Now, that stock here is SRFM, and I'll be watching SRFM for a simple flag breakout to the upside. So we have this previous rejection off $8 a share back here earlier in the week. So if we find buyers over $8 tomorrow and find the retest to confirm here over 8, we then have room all the way back to the upside to $10 a share. So a pretty significant amount of range here, but as always, no break, no trade, but this thing does look pretty crazy. Next up, and last but not least, is my absolute favorite stock for tomorrow, and it's the stock that exploded over 500% today on some crypto-related news. Now, with Bitcoin breaking out over its all-time highs today, and this thing up over 500%, it seems to be the most obvious stock to be watching for tomorrow. Now, before I give it to you, I give you the top 3 stocks in the market every single day for completely free. So do me a massive favor, hit that like button to say thank you, and hit that follow button as well so you're tuned in every single night for my top stock watch list. Now, that stock here is the massive explosion from today on ABVE. Now, we actually traded this stock this morning in the live trading stream in the 7-day free trial for a pretty awesome trade, but it just did not stop this afternoon. So I want to actually watch this for a continuation if crypto continues to make this move tomorrow. Now, there's actually 2 ways you can watch this tomorrow, but I do prefer one a little bit more than the other. So now that price has sort of tried to confirm here off $2.30 off of VWAP, I want to see another bottom get put in place here. If price pulls back over the low 2s again off right 2423, we start to see that get bought back up again. That's an awesome area of support for an entry opportunity off the pullbacks for the range back overhead to your new highs towards 5 and 650. But you can also watch for the breakout here to the upside if we get going over that previous high of 327. So if we find strong buying pressure back over that 327 high from today's close, we can again look for the pullback to retest and confirm off that breakout level for that entry opportunity on the breakout for that, again, room to the upside to 5 and 650. But of course, as always, no confirmation, no trade, and no break, no trade. To unlock access to my entire stock watch list every single night, every single morning, and to watch me trade these stocks in real time every single day and get alerts, education, chat room access, and so